In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trade in Steam without waiting 15 days. The goal here is to set up your account correctly so your trades don't get stuck in long holds, and you can move items quickly and safely. First, open the Steam app. On most desktops, you can double-click the Steam icon to launch the client. Give it a moment to load fully so all menus are available. Next, log into your account. Enter your account name and password carefully to avoid errors or temporary lockouts. Take your time, typos are the most common reason for failed sign-ins. Only sign in on devices you trust, and never share your credentials. Once you're in, head to your settings. Click the Steam menu in the top left corner of the client and choose Settings from the drop-down. This is where we'll handle the security features that affect trading holds. In the Settings window, select the Security tab on the left. This is the control center for your account's protection and for unlocking smooth trading. Enable Steam Guard if it isn't already on. Steam Guard is mandatory for trading and market access. To avoid the 15-day trade hold specifically, you'll want Steam Guard enabled and, ideally, the mobile authenticator version. With the mobile authenticator active on your account for at least 7 days, your trades won't be stuck in the standard 15-day hold. If you only have email-based Steam Guard, trading works, but holds are longer. Turning on the authenticator is the key to fast trades. Make sure your email and phone number are verified. Verification helps with recovery, approvals, and confirmations tied to trading and market features. It's a quick check, but it strengthens your account and supports authenticator functionality. It's also important to understand waiting periods. If you recently changed your password or made changes to your authenticator, Steam applies a short security delay, usually around 5 days before you can trade without holds again. This protects your inventory and can't be skipped. Plan around it, and avoid making security changes right before you need to trade. When you're done, restart the Steam client to ensure every change is fully applied. Close Steam completely, then open it again and sign back in. This refresh helps the client recognize your new security settings right away. That's it. With Steam Guard enabled, your contact information verified, and no recent security changes, you should be able to trade without the 15-day wait. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.